Reactive form validation in Angular is super easy and can be a good way to stop users entering bad data into your forms. All you need to do once you have your form group created is to add the required validators to the form controls in your form group. Once we've let Angular know what makes a form valid or invalid, we can stop the save action from occurring when the user submits the form. It's also a good idea to mark the whole form as touched, and I'll explain why in just a moment. But we need to give the user some visual feedback that the form hasn't been filled out correctly. We can do this with a combination of applying a class to the form input and also displaying a message. It's not usual to display the validation before the user has even touched the form, so we can check if the form controls have been touched before showing any errors, hence why we used mark all as touched. Sometimes we might want to have more than one validator for an input. No problem, we can just pass in an array of validators when creating the form control. To help explain to the user what the validation problem is, we can check the errors generated by the validators for the control and display an appropriate message.